Hey guys, welcome back to Operation RV. Yes, we got another awesome video here this week, and it's all involving our famous SuperClean products. I got a SuperClean Wheel Cleaner, and I'll be using a SuperClean Degreaser. So let's go ahead and dive over here. I'll show you what we got. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as you just saw that wheel there, it is pretty grotesque. Not only is there dirt, grime, grease, but there's also a little rust that is my spare. So what I'll be doing is today I'm going to be using a couple products here. I'm going to be using a SuperClean Wheel Cleaner to get off all the grime, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot it up with a little bit of this degreaser here. And I want to show you how effective SuperClean's products are. Again, follow my other videos. I'll go ahead and put them in the end card here. I'm a true believer with SuperClean. Not only is their products effective, but it's also biodegradable. So there's nothing better knowing that whatever you're trying to degrease or clean, it's not harming our environment too. So let's dig on here. Let me show you what we got on these products. So this is the tools that we'll be using today. Just a car sponge, a hose. We got our SuperClean degreaser, and we have our all-wheel cleaner. We have some Meguiar's car wash soap, and we're going to go ahead and dig on in. So first up, I'm using this all-purpose wheel cleaner. The instructions here are pretty simple. On the back here, also too, the link's down in the description where you can pick up this product and have it sent right over to you. And trust me, you guys will be an absolute believer. So let's go ahead and, as it says in the back here, it should start foaming up all of this brake dust. So let me go ahead and do this off camera. Alright, so now we got the SuperClean degreaser here, and I'm going to go ahead and get this outside rim all clean and prepped, because I'm going to take it from this nasty rusted spare that's been under the bed of the truck for years, and I'm going to go ahead and touch it up and hit it up with some of this Rust-Oleum's Gloss Black Wheel Paint. And the link in the description here, we'll go ahead and click on that and have this sent over to your residence as well. So let's go ahead and just let that do its thing. I want to get it on my brakes. That's what this is for, inside here. Gotta clean up all that brake dust, any squeaks and squeals. And we're gonna go ahead and hit it up now with this hose. You're gonna see a night and day difference when we're done. SuperClean's products, guys, if you check out some of these end cards like I mentioned before, when I cleaned the transmission on my 77, it was 43 years worth of road grime. Click it over here, and it made it brand spanking new, almost effortlessly. There were some spots, obviously you got to use some elbow grease, but again, that's 43 years worth of grime. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my way around to each tire here, all the way around the dually. get them all cleaned up, and I'm going to come back and show you what it's going to look like after this stuff. All right, so now we're going to get up close and personal because I want to show you just how amazing this SuperClean Wheel Cleaner and their Degreaser products are. Like, there is not one smidgen of dirt, debris, grime, nothing. Fully clean. This stuff is really good. And if you go onto their website, you can look at their other cleaning products, and each one of them, it gives you ratios if you want to do dilution and things like that. Also what type of surfaces that you can use some of their products on. And again, always guys, just for good practice, you always want to do something in a small section first before you just start tackling a big job, just to make sure that, you know, nothing happens to the finish. But that's it, guys. That is like super clean. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get some of this stuff sprayed on it, and we're going to get this wheel looking brand new. All right, I want to go ahead and get you a piece of scrap cardboard, and we're just going to use it as an overspray template, just so you don't get it all over your tires. You want to go ahead and just do within the directions here, up to 12 inches, I believe. You want to do a quick dry coat, and what I mean by that is you're just trying to get a tacky surface. So we're not going to spray it on heavy. So I'm just going to go around the truck like that. And again, you just want to do a tack coat. You're not doing anything really heavy. And try not to get it inside your brakes. And you want to do these within a 15-minute increments too. So all right, so this flash is what they call it. The flash spray is where it's not all wet. You just go ahead and that's the binding surface now as per the directions. So 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. All right, so this is going to be our first heavy coat. And again, just apply it like the directions say. Not too far and not too close. This tire has been under there for years, and with all the weathering of dirt, grime, rain, rock chips, you know, it's definitely experienced the rusting. You can actually spray upside down, which is nice. All right, another 15 minutes. As the video goes, guys, this is a wrap. And as you see, huge transformation from the before. Here's this picture.